तो नाज़रीन, कांग्रेस का सरोजा चिंतन शिविर जारी था। कांग्रेस तर्जुमान रणदीप सुरजेवाला ने चिंतन शिविर के बाद क्या कुछ कहा, आइए आपको सुनाते हैं।
Historically, when Samundar Manthan was held, Amrit came out of it. The manthan of thoughts and actions by the great Indian National Congress will now lead to a new transformation, not for the party alone, but for the country as a whole. Each Indian citizen needs to ask himself or herself, can hatred and division between Hindus and Muslims be the only answer or political discourse? The answer is clearly no. So we need to walk hand in hand and we need to rebuild a new India, an India of not only Mahatma Gandhi's dreams, but an India of your children's dreams, your young brother and sisters' dreams, an India which truly represents the 62% population which is below 40 years of age.